Hello YouTube and welcome to a new Techsloth video. I'm here with a brand new Honor 10 smartphone, and if you can see this video, then today's the 15th of May and the NDA has fallen. Close to 3 weeks prior I'm recording this video because I already got my hands on one of those devices. This is the spec sheet, and below the spec sheet there are the two devices you're most interested in seeing the Honor 10 next to, the Honor 9 and the Huawei P20. So there we go. This is our Honor box, Honor 10 on the side, Honor logo on the sides, and nothing special here. As you can see, it's a dual SIM version and it's midnight black, and it's a big version of 128 gigabytes. There's also a version with 64 gigabytes of storage, which costs 400 euros, and for 50 euros more you get 128 gigabytes. So the 128 gigabyte version, which is exactly the same amount of storage as on the Huawei P20, costs 200 euros less. So, and keep in mind please, there's no micro SD card slot built into the Honor 10. So carefully choose your storage. Let's open it up, and there we go. Let's get it out this way. Oh, there we go. Just let me put it aside, and we first have a quick look what it's inside the box. So we get our SIM card tool. We get no handbook because this, or first starter guide, because this is a press sample. But we again get a clear case, which looks okay. You can look. It's a clear case. You can look through. It feels a little plastically and rubbery, but nice to have if you need one. I can't see headphones, and I get a black Honor 10, and I get white charger and cable. So we get USB Type A, normal USB port, to USB Type C, and the charger. Whoa, it will definitely be again Huawei branded. Yes, the Honor guys and girls are always saying, no, we are not Huawei, we are separate, we are a separate company, we are competitors. But still, they don't get their own charger or branded charger. So this is Huawei Supercharge technology with an output of 5 volt, 4.5 ampere, so 20 watt milliampere charger. And that's it. That's everything that's in the box. So let's grab the device. On the back side, you get the informations. So nano SIM card, no micro SIM cards, and it's a dual SIM version. And yes, still no micro SD card slot. The device feels nice, first impression. Glass backside, metal frame, glass front of course. And it's the same design like we've already seen on the Honor 9. So Honor still using Honor design, I guess. Cameras are standing out this time. On this back side we get again two cameras, a 24 megapixel monochrome sensor and a 60 megapixel color sensor. Flash AI camera, and oh, this AI thingy. This is one of the points. Honor is telling the press, we will be fantastic. We got so many AI features. You will never have to worry about taking good pictures. Okay, this is one of the things I'm going to test and will show you. So this is the slogan, beauty in AI. Your turn to stand out. Okay, so let's go around the device. We got the on-off button on the side. Let me activate the device, or let me activate the screen so that you can see the notch, which is a little bit bigger than on the Huawei P20, just for your guidance. So there's a difference. But on the right side, on-off button, volume down button, I can reach with my right thumb. With my left index finger, I again can reach both buttons, but not the volume up button. On top, we got a microphone and an infrared port, which is nice. Then we got the SIM card slot. And down here, we got a headphone jack. Yes, still we got a headphone jack, because Huawei has no headphone jack on the P20. But still, we got the 3,400 milliampere hours battery. So big thumbs up to Honor on this, just because I still think this is one of the features that a smartphone still has to have also in the year 2018. We got a USB-C port, we got a microphone and a speaker, and on the back side, glass back side, the Honor logo, AI camera logo. We've already talked about the camera, that this is standing out, but I wouldn't care or wouldn't worry too much about wobbling, that the device will be moving around on the table while you are typing. No. And on the front side, we get the display notch, we get the speaker, and we get the 24 megapixel front-facing camera. And we get our fingerprint sensor on the front side. And one last thing, it's beneath the glass front. So this is the fingerprint sensor that's actually under the glass. Huawei Honor is giving us little index lines where the fingerprint sensor is, but this is the next step in fingerprint sensors. They will be under the glass. Maybe next time we will see them integrated into the display, but under the glass is the first step. So first impression, yes, nice build quality in terms of comparison, size comparison with the predecessor, the Honor 9. It's nearly the same size, yet it's a little bit longer, and maybe it's a little bit, just a little bit wider than the Honor 9. But look at the front, how much more display you get on these devices. On the Honor 9 you got this big bars on top and below the display, and this here is the next step. But this is it. This is just the first video with the new Honor 10, and I'm really looking forward testing the device out and telling you guys everything about it. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you all in the next video. Bye.